So guys, now welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's see the analysis we actually did right for the 14th. I told you guys that for the 14th, gold will give us a bullish move for the day. Now, if you don't watch the analysis we did yesterday, you can go back to the channel to watch it so you'll be able to confirm the movement. Now, to those of you that literally watched it and you traded according to what we predicted, right? You should be able to grab nothing less than 900 pips. I told you guys that gold will be giving you about more than 500 pips. I literally said it right that we will be having more than 500 pips and gold gave us about 900 pips. So you can see that our analysis is absolutely correct. So this is one of the reasons why I always say to those of you guys that are yet to subscribe to the channel, you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. Now, what we'll be expecting for the day is very simple on our gold. We will be expecting a pullback, which is currently playing out. Then we will be expecting another push-up. Why are we going to be expecting such movement? It is very clear. This our trend is on an uptrend move. Now, you all know the rules of trading, which is first rule is know your trend. Second rule is trade with the trend. Now, this is the first eye. This is the massive eye right here. We can see this to be our first eye. Here comes the pullback, which is an higher low. Market eventually pushed up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market eventually pushed up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Now, market eventually pushed up again to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. Now, this is the higher low, right? So this is the higher low. Now, market has now pushed up again to form a new higher high. Market has now pushed up to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So what market is currently doing right here, guys, it is an higher low, which is a pullback. So market is currently giving us a pullback, which is an higher low. Once this pullback plays out finish, market will most likely go to push up one more time to form a new higher high. So guys, expect your pullback to play out. Once the pullback plays out, then going for the buy to form a new high. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section, guys.